need to reinforce the keel section here before the next phase. The stress loads are higher than projected.
I agree. Let's adjust the plating thickness on this module.
Easy now. Bring it down slow. Watch the stern rail. Clear on the left.
We need to verify the alignment on section Gamma 12 before the next plate arrives. I've double-checked the coordinates. They match the schematic.
Stress analysis shows failure at node Charlie due to wave impact.
Acknowledged. Rerouting auxiliary power, but we're exceeding structural limits.
Lower it slowly. We have high winds on the starboard side. Copy that. Steady as she goes. All right, hold it there. Bring it down slowly. We're clearing the mounts now. Confirmed. Docking clamps are ready. We've got full extension on cylinder 4. Copy that. Cycle it back slowly.
The energy ratings in this sector are still unstable.
Reroute auxiliary power and run the diagnostic again.
Steady, hold steady. Keep it moving, driver. You're clear on the left. I'm seeing an indication right here at the 2 o'clock position.
Confirmed. Let's rescan that section slowly.
The analogs are fluctuating.
The system shows stability. I'm finalizing inputs now.
Night Watch, this is Clipper 59er, requesting clearance for takeoff. Clipper 59er, you are clear for immediate departure.
Lowering to mount point Gamma. Confirm stabilization sequence. Sequence confirmed. Alignment holding at 00. Locking engaged.
Watch the alignment on the starboard side. It's clear. Send it down. Torquing the bolts now.
Stress fractures detected at segment Gamma 12. Confirmed. Reading spiking on the localized field density.
We need to secure this section before the next shift. I'm on it. Where do these brackets go? Page 12, center column. And watch the welding back there. Lower the skip slowly. Keep that vibrator moving. We've got a lot more coming down.
We need to adjust the ballast tanks in this section to maintain stability.
Agreed. Run the simulation for the new displacement figures. All systems nominal. The radar sweep is fully active.
Confirmed. Navigation is online and stable, Captain.
All right, Tugs, easy on the starboard side. Bring her in slowly now, watch the gap.
Right here, Commander. It's still showing a slight variance. Understood. Preparing the next weld point.
We're losing containment on the manifold. Stabilize the plasma regulators now.
I'm trying, Commander. The conduits are failing.
Confirmed alignment.
Roger that. Proceeding at 5 meters per minute.
Final torque sequence initiated.
Green across the board, Chief. It's secure.